Welcome back to my scalp maxing series where we just made $700 trading the market using a very simple strategy and a very simple style. Let me show you guys all my live trades that I just took since I live recorded all the trades, as well as break down even the strategy that I use in my favor to trade every single day when I trade live. Now, if you guys want to use this strategy in your advantage, click the link in the bio, follow this simple strategy. So while we wait for our payout to adjust and hit, we are trading an evaluation account. Plus, guys, check it out. Just the other day, yesterday, we passed another account here on TopStep as well. Now on this new account that we literally just got as well, $700 right here made. And let me go ahead and show you guys the exact trades that I took. Very simply, on the Discord as well, which is a level that we did provide, and a level that I plan to trade, which is super simply just grabbing this most previous wicks here of this highs on pre-market, extending it out, and you can see we get a little bit of a breakout here. A little bit of a breakout. Plus, this is essentially a break of structure to the upside because the trend is no longer climbing downwards. It gets its first higher low and a higher high situation. So then that's a break of structure. Plus, we get a nice little breakout above this month's previous high. So that's very simply how I like to spot my potential trade ideas. Then I use the break of retest as my model. So this is the breakout. This is the pullback retest, except actually I live traded this and you guys saw that this stopped me out. Then we re-entered again and got paid. So the great thing about this strategy is, yes, you will take some losses, but the winners will always outweigh the losers. As you can see here, after it fails the retest the first time and actually stops you out, the next time it comes back for this retest and you enter, it is a nice push back to the upside. Now, that's not the only trade that I did take here. I also did trade gold. Same thing with gold. Let's actually even draw it out for you guys, because all I do is grab the most previous high here, grab the most previous high here, and you guys can very simply see how easy it is to spot a breakout. This is the pullback. All these candles are pullback retest possible entries and immediately just rockets all day. Now, my third favorite to trade, which is oil, isn't really doing much. It does look pretty weak, but you guys can even see the candlesticks sell off to a little bit of a pullback bounce. It's not really doing much to buyers try to step in. And it is a little bit of a breakout there, but not really much going on to a big sell-off to here we are climbing on down. So we're going to end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed this very simple, quick breakdown, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.